Lean in close. I have a secret to share, a truth that lives inside you, waiting to be awakened. Today, we'll awaken it together by exploring the teachings of Neville Goddard. Neville was not a distant guru, but a man who discovered a life-altering truth. Your imagination is the creative force shaping your reality. He taught that we are not victims of circumstance. We are the creators of our own stories. This power isn't outside you. It's your birthright, the divine spark within. Neville's teachings are a roadmap to reclaiming this power and consciously creating the life you deserve. Too many feel stuck, powerless, wishing for change. Neville's message is the key to unlock those chains. You don't have to wish or hope. You must assume and feel your desire as real right now. It's a radical shift. Stop looking outside for your good and start cultivating it from within. Stop begging the universe. Start commanding your reality with love and faith. Breathe in possibility. Breathe out doubt. Open your heart to this truth. Neville's work isn't about magic tricks. It's about understanding the laws of your own consciousness. The most powerful tool you possess is your imagination. This journey is a return to yourself, to remembering who you truly are. You are a creator, powerful beyond measure. It's time to live like it. Let's begin. Imagine your life as a blank canvas. Every thought, every feeling is a brushstroke. Neville's teachings show you how to paint a masterpiece. You are not here to play small. You are here to create, to love, to thrive. The world is waiting for your unique expression. Embrace your power. Let's step into the work together. Your new story starts now. What is Neville's method? At its core, it's simple. Your imagination creates your reality. What you imagine with feeling and accept as true becomes fact. This isn't just positive thinking, it's conscious creation. You don't just think about your desire, you think from it, living in the state of your wish fulfilled. Everything in your world began as a thought, a feeling, an image in consciousness. The outer world is just a delayed reflection of your inner assumptions. To change your world, change your inner conversation. Neville taught that the creative power of the universe is your own imagination. Use it lovingly for yourself and others. Become the gatekeeper of your mind. Plant only thoughts and feelings that align with the life you want. Your subconscious is fertile soil. Your thoughts are seeds. You can't plant doubt and expect abundance. Neville's method is conscious gardening of the soul. Water your desires with faith and feeling. The harvest will reflect the beauty you've cultivated within. The heart of Neville's teaching is the law of assumption. What you assume, you become. You don't get what you want. You get what you are, what you assume yourself to be. Most people rehearse lack and limitation in their minds. To change your life, flip the script. Assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled. If you want abundance, feel relief and gratitude as if your needs are already met. If you desire love, embody the feeling of being cherished and adored. This isn't lying to yourself, it's loyalty to a reality not yet visible. Have more faith in your inner world than the outer. Throughout your day, catch thoughts of lack and gently revise them. Replace "I can't afford that" with "all my needs are met." When loneliness arises, feel the warmth of love within. This is a practice, not a one-time fix. Train your subconscious to accept a new truth. Live from the end result, and creation becomes inevitable. Every moment is a chance to return to your assumption. Persist, and your world will shift. You are living in the wish fulfilled. Let's talk about your most powerful tool, imagination through visualization. Neville's technique is first-person, sensory-rich immersion. You don't watch yourself succeed, you experience it as real. Get clear on your desire, then create a short scene that would happen after your wish is fulfilled. Don't visualize the process. Visualize the end result. Fill your scene with vivid sights, sounds, textures, and feelings. If you want health, imagine running on the beach, feeling strong and alive. If you want a new home, feel the cool marble, hear your family's laughter. Loop this scene until it feels real. Your subconscious can't tell the difference between vivid imagination and reality. When you feel the wish fulfilled, your subconscious accepts it and begins to rearrange your world. This isn't magic, it's the law of your being. You are impressing a new blueprint on your creative power. Visualization is your paintbrush. Use it boldly. There's a sacred window when your subconscious is most receptive. Neville called it the state akin to sleep, or SATS. This is the drowsy state before sleep and upon waking. In SATS, your conscious mind quiets and your subconscious is open. As you drift to sleep, bring your vivid scene to mind. Feel it, see it, live it as real. Repeat the scene until you fall asleep immersed in the feeling of your wish fulfilled. Your subconscious will work on this blueprint all night. You've planted the seed, now trust the process. The last feeling before sleep is powerful. Make it your new reality. Let your subconscious carry out your divine order. This is how you impress your desires deeply. Sleep in the feeling and watch your world transform. The gateway is open. Step through. Let's get practical. How do you manifest love or abundance? For love, focus on the feeling you want, cherished, safe, adored. Cultivate that feeling within yourself first. In SATS, imagine a simple scene, feeling a wedding ring or resting in your partner's embrace. Loop this scene until it feels real, then carry that feeling through your day. For abundance, shift your focus from lack to wealth. Imagine seeing a joyful bank statement or generously paying for a friend's dinner. The key is to stop telling the story of absence. Assume the new state. Feel wealthy, feel loved now. Not with desperation, but with calm confidence. You're not trying to get something. You're embodying a new state of consciousness. Claim the love and abundance that are already yours. The principle is always the same. Assume, feel, and live from your desire. Your new reality will follow. You are worthy of it all. The biggest mistake? Looking for signs and checking for results. After your imaginal work, don't scan the world asking, "Is it here yet?" This comes from doubt and keeps you stuck in the state of not having. The outer world is just a mirror. Your imagination is the true reality. You must smile first. The reflection follows. Once you've assumed your wish fulfilled, your work is done. Go about your day with quiet confidence. If doubt arises, return to your assumption. It is done. Ignore the evidence of your senses if it contradicts your new state. Your current reality is just the harvest of old assumptions. Persist in your new assumption no matter what. Walk in the feeling of your wish fulfilled. This is the path of the master. Move from wishing to creating. Trust the law. Here's a powerful exercise, Neville's ladder. For 3 nights as you enter SATs, imagine yourself climbing a wooden ladder. Feel your hands on the rungs, your feet stepping up and down. Loop this scene until you fall asleep. During the day, write and repeat, "I will not climb a ladder." Place reminders everywhere. You have 2 opposing forces, your conscious intention not to climb and your subconscious act of climbing. Within days, you'll find yourself climbing a ladder in real life. This proves your subconscious, impressed through feeling, is more powerful than conscious intention. Try it. Let your own experience build your faith. Once you see the law in action, you'll trust it for your deepest desires. The proof is in the practice. Your journey begins with a single step. We've uncovered a truth that can change everything. The power is within you, waiting in your imagination. This path requires discipline, faith, and loyalty to your inner vision. You were born for joy, love, abundance, and peace. Don't be discouraged by setbacks. This is a practice. Every time you revise a thought, you grow stronger. Persist in your assumption, even when the world shows you otherwise. Start tonight with the ladder exercise. Build your confidence, one desire at a time. Remember, feeling is the secret. Live, walk, and sleep in the feeling of your wish fulfilled. The universe will mirror your inner truth. You are the operant power. I'm holding a space of love and belief for you. Go forward and claim your magnificent life. Your beautiful story is waiting. Answer the call.